Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to set up video views ads in Facebook page. So if you uploaded lots of videos on your Facebook page and now you want to boost some videos to get more video views, here's how to easily boost any Facebook video to get more views. First of all, switch to your Facebook page and scroll down and search for the video that you want to boost. For example, I want to boost these videos to get more views. So all you have to need just click on boost post. And now we have to select goal for boosting the video. So here you will find this goal section, just click on change. And here you have to select get more video views. Show your ad to people who are likely to watch your video. So after selecting these goal, just click on save. And now scroll down and here you can change these button. Just click on button level. You can select a different button from here. Now scroll down and here you can customize your audience by clicking on this little pencil icon. So customize your audience from here and scroll down, select here your video boost duration and select here your budget. And now all you have to need, just add here your payment method. Once done, here you will see the final result of your video ad. And here you will see your ad duration and daily total amounts. Now all you have to need, just click on publish and your video will be boosted and your video will get more views. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.